Alright, what's up everybody? Quick little update. We could not save the seats for the Z. They were a little far gone. There was supposed to be a nub there. There's no nub there. Well, no, there is a nub. There's no nub there. We had to break the nub off the front one. And some of these just, yeah, these seats are a little faded, gone. So we took the seatbelt clips off of them and the harness. And believe it or not, I have an 05 GTS Toyota Silica seat. And these fit real nice, look comfortable. They are comfortable. Went ahead and wired in the new, or old seatbelt and seatbelt harness clip. Got the floor pan over here welded up. We had to put a plate here and a plate here. And, you know, of course you can see we had to chip up all the sound deadening. There was no saving it in order to weld. So we're having to redo all of it. Accidentally broke a ground on the way through. What else? Oh, the cancer that's back there. Can't really see it, bad lighting. And, yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, except for new headlights. Can't see them because they're not up, but right now it's depressed faced. When they go up, it looks happy. It's funny as fuck. But yeah. Y'all have a nice day.